The new year is a great reason to update your look and choose a haircut that will emphasize your strengths and hide age nuances. The key principles of age-appropriate haircuts. Slender lines and clear but gently shifting silhouettes help to visually rejuvenate the image. The soft borders, texture and volume at the roots create liveliness and movement without adding gravity. Straight lines are suitable for those with thick hair and a smooth structure, but it is better to combine them with light layers so as not to overdry the scalp. Consider the shape of the face. Round the length below the cheekbones oval, almost any square, softening along the jawlines triangular. The emphasis on the upper part of the head and the lateral zones. 40 years old. Modern classic solutions. Bob with a slight elongation to the face, length up to the middle of the ear or slightly lower. This creates a soft square effect and adds elegance without being too aggressive. Long bob, forehead to collarbones, with a smooth transition back. A small volume at the roots and slightly asymmetrical bangs visually lengthen the silhouette. Cascading bob with short layers at the back of the head and longer ones in front. This transition adds texture and life to the hair, making it easier to style. 50 years old. Emphasis on movement and grooming. A straight bob of medium length with a soft grading at the bottom. Clean lines look expensive and neat. Pixie with an elongated crown and flowing layers on the sides. If the color and care keep their shape, this image looks bold and modern. A-line square or pixie cascade square is a combination of volume and soft lines that allows you to visually rejuvenate while maintaining the maturity of the style. A long slave, a long square with soft layers along the entire length, is an excellent choice for those with thick hair. Movement and light highlights make the image come alive. 60 years old. Lightness, light and nobility. Pixie with a smooth rounded line and minimal layers. Adding a delicate texture creates a youthful style effect without unnecessary complications. A forehead or a short bob to the face with soft contours and no hard distinctions between zones. This silhouette looks well groomed and fresh. A long square to the shoulders with a slight graduation at the ends. A good option for those who prefer a more calm, but expressive image. The average haircut is a school square just below the shoulders with soft layers. Versatile and practical for any hair structure. Enjoy watching it, everyone. Happy New Year to you, friends.
At last, in the past I messed up, gave too much.